everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to use multiple accounts in WhatsApp on iPhone. So first thing we're going to need to do is open settings, and from here just tap on chats. And in here you can see that there is no specific setting that you can add another account. So that means that we can't add or we can't use multiple accounts in WhatsApp on iPhone. But if you really want to use another phone number on WhatsApp, then you can go ahead and download this application right here. Just search for WhatsApp Business. This one. You can go ahead and download or install this one. It basically works just like WhatsApp, but in business mode. You can still chat or make conversation with other people, and that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!